Hi everyone, my name is Angela Jessel Charles and I am primary school teacher at SK Nangamong Julau, a remote school in the heart of Sarawak, Malaysia, where reaching the school is often more challenging than accessing technology itself. Yet, I believe innovation is never limited by geography. Operating with Starlink as our sole internet gateway, I have spent the past 3 years actively sharing Google for Education and AI tools with my peer, coaching them to simplify administrative tasks, design engaging lessons, and build digital confidence. I am applying to become a Google certified trainer to bridge the digital divide and transform rural schools into hubs of innovation. If digital transformation can happen in rural Sarawak, it can happen anywhere. So for my demonstration video, I'm going to share how we can transform raw classroom assessment data into an interactive dashboard using Gemini AI Canvas. Hi everyone, today I will share how to transform raw classroom assessment data or PBD into an interactive dashboard using Gemini AI Canvas. Before we start, let's briefly understand what PBD is. PBD or Pentaksiran Bilik Darjah is a Malaysia classroom assessment system. It is used by teachers to monitor student learning progress through performance level from TP1 to TP6. Now, open your Gemini AI, select Canvas and choose Gemini 3.1 Pro. Next, screenshot the data from Excel and upload into Gemini, and then enter the prompt using the past prompting framework, and then click Generate. The prompt must provide clear instruction for Gemini to generate an interactive dashboard based on the uploaded assessment data. Once the file has been uploaded, Gemini is ready to analyze the data. The interactive dashboard generated within seconds. This dashboard provides a clear overview of student performance, including the distributions of performance level, learning trend, student that require intervention, subject comparison, visual chart, and AI generated summaries. This will help teachers to interpret assessment data more efficiently and support evidence-based instructional planning. The dashboard can be downloaded or shared for reporting and collaborative planning. By using Gemini AI, teachers can reduce the time spent on manual data analysis and focus more on supporting student learning. Congratulations, your interactive PBD dashboard is now ready. Thank you for watching.